Alright, back for the second part of the rear plastic restore. I mean, I'm done for now. It came out okay. Definitely not as good as some I've done in the past. I don't know what the deal with these fucking plastics are, but they just do not want to shine up. So I'm gonna call it good for right now. But it definitely look 1,000 times better than they did. That's for sure. Can tell big difference in just the colors. Real big difference. So I still need some shine in, stuff like that, but they'll get there. I ended up scoring a nice set of OEM uncut complete plastics that I'm having shipped to me now, so I'm really not as concerned with these right now. So for now, that'll do. But somebody also wanted to see the front cut. So it's still just race cut, but they just went out a little wider than most people do. Most people usually cut right along the line. Instead, they're cut a little bit further, leaving a little bit of the front fender. Comes out and then loops back down in. I like the way it is, but wouldn't be bad if these weren't fucking mares. But I do have a set of OEM fronts, which I'm also gonna restore them at some point. Here's the other side. I don't know if they're exactly even. They're pretty damn fucking close. Yeah, same thing over here. Yeah, I figure as soon as I get the OEM fronts restored, I can put them on the front. And at least I'll have a set of bashing fenders on it, and I won't give a shit if I go out and break. It'll still look a lot better than the fucking mares anyways. Yeah, so there she is. I mean, they sanded out okay. They're not as shiny as I've been able to get in the past, which pisses me off. I did the exact same thing I've done. It's almost like they were just too fucking dry and they wouldn't come back. So I think these fenders probably benefit from doing a whole nother complete wet sand and buff. But that's a lot of fucking work. I'm not going to get into that again when I have a fucking mint set of OEMs coming. So for now, that's fucking plenty good for me. Yeah, so I still got a lot of the other stuff to do, but she'll get there. But yeah, that's it for now. I mean, they are what they are. They're not bad. I'm gonna grab some red zip ties here, get that one little crack on the fender back together. And really, it's not too bad. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to make more videos of whatever little project I got going on. Tend to have a lot, so hopefully get a little bit of some riding videos here soon. Got a lot of trails back up north that go up and ride. Never usually take videos or anything of it, but I'd like to start making some, hopefully. At least the more interesting stuff. Yeah. It's alright. Thanks for watching, and We'll try to make some more and make them a little better each time we do it. Alright, have a good one.